इश्क के रंग में रंग जाए जब अफकार तो खुलते हैं गुलाम.
Let's find the angle that a hand on a clock will create at any given time, the smaller angle. First, we have to gather the fact that when the minute hand travels 360 degrees, the hour hand will have traveled that time divided by 12 because there's 12 numbers on the clock. And the hour hand will have only moved by one of them. And that will give us 30 degrees. We also need to find how far the hour hand has traveled in less than an hour, in a certain amount of minutes. We'll just use the 30 degrees and we'll just multiply it by however many minutes you want, divided by 60, as by multiplying it by this fraction, we can find out any angle that the hour hand has traveled, even if it's a fraction of an hour. Let's find the angle at 7:10 p.m., for example, the smaller angle. Now, first, what we need to do is we're just going to apply these relationships. So we're just going to multiply 30 by 7, because at 7 p.m. the hour hand will have moved 7 numbers starting at 12, and we're going to add that to the amount of minutes it's traveled by multiplying the 30 degrees by the fraction of minutes over 60, which is 10 over 60. After evaluating this will equate to 215 degrees. Now that's how far the hour hand has traveled, not the angle it creates for the other minute hand, because that hasn't moved anywhere. So we're just going to find how far the minute hand has traveled from 12 by multiplying 360 degrees in a similar way with the hour hand relationship for minutes, and multiply it by the amount of minutes it's traveled, because it's only traveled 10 minutes because it's 7:10, and that'll give us 60 degrees. We found how far the minute hand and hour hand have traveled, so all we need to do now is subtract how far they have traveled, and this will give us the angle that both of them form, which is 155 degrees.